Olive.
Yes, Ajike. I'm good. How are you? What's the problem?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Olive, I have this issue.
Oh, what is the issue?
I knew I could trust you.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Just come on.
Olive, but I'm in Illuminati. This boys, this Futa, those Nairobi. So there's this group. They were recruiting people, Mwalimu. So I mean.
Recruiting Illuminati.
I'm in Illuminati. So at night I dream things, I see things. Mwalimu, I'm just having a problem. I
so
think
uko Illuminati?
Yeah, those boys put me in Illuminati.
Na tulia, hiyo ni rahisi. Kuna hiyo pesa?
No, they don't give me money. They just give us biscuit and then mandas during games time.
Na gari?
We don't have that. They're just recruiting students. So I'm one of the students who have been recruited in.
So hujapewa pesa hata gari?
They're just giving us some biscuits. So they're luring us.
Fanya hivi. Wangekuwa wamekupea pesa ama gari, tungepata venye tunasolve. Meanwhile sahi we nipe namba yao, mtaenda niwakanye. Wasikuwe na hiyo tabia mbaya.
Mwalimu, that one is not helping me at all. I'm suffering.
Mtaongea na wao sasa niwakanye wasikufanyie kitu kama. Yaani unataka kukaa hapo.
Mwalimu, you're not helping me. You're not